How to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on search button on top right, simply search app. You'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification, and then in here click on see all apps. Scroll down till you find Roblox, then simply click on Roblox. Force stop the app, then go to storage and cache, which is bottom of permission and above mobile data and Wi-Fi. Clear cache and clear storage. After that, simply restart your device, open Roblox, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.